How do you thank people who saved your life? They gave me back to my family.
During an emotional reunion, Somerset resident Tamara D'Ambra thanked the team of Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital caregivers who gave the 44-year-old mother of three a second chance at life.
I ran to the stretcher. I wasn't waiting. I was in panic mode. I knew something wasn't right.
One look at her, you could just tell that something big was happening. We didn't know if it was a heart attack or what, but we knew that we had to go to Robert Wood, New Brunswick.
As RWJ paramedics and EMTs rushed D'Ambra towards the hospital, they used a defibrillator on 3 separate occasions to revive her ailing heart.
Our first contact with her, she was talking to us, she was answering all of our questions, and then all at once she kind of just went out, and we looked at the monitor. It was a rhythm that we had to do something about. We put the pads on her as quickly as possible, and we shocked her. As soon as we shocked her, she woke up, she asked what happened, she asked if she passed out, she started talking about her kids.
Emergency department personnel would shock Tamara 3 more times after she arrived at the hospital.
If we don't shock them back, they're going to die within a matter of seconds.
She would require 1 more shock from the defibrillator in the hospital's cardiac catheterization lab, where interventional cardiologist Dr. Alpesh Patel would place a stent, opening the artery that had contributed to her heart attack.
Once we see that there's a blockage or an obstruction in that pipe, we would put a small wire through that blockage and then put a little balloon there to spread the plaque or the debris a little bit, and then we put a stent in there to keep that artery open for the rest of our life.
Very rarely do we ever get to see the patients after the fact, but to actually see her, see she's doing well, meet her family, it's an unreal experience. It really makes the job worth it.
They took care of my kid's mom. They took care of my husband's wife, my mother's daughter. What they do here at Robert Wood, they give your life back. They give you a new opportunity to become something that you may never have thought you could.
RWJBarnabas Health. Let's be healthy, together.